हाथी का पिछवाड़ा. Again, look at how deep this is.
That's what she said.
Ignore all this. I have never recorded versions of my voice ever. इंडिकेटर देखो. Just Bangalore things. I'm not going through that way. Yep, benefits of having rocks. वो देख रहे हो? This is like a unique color of Fortuner I have seen. Guess which one I'm gonna take. Usually यहाँ से we ride very fast. अभी चूँकि कॉन्वर्सेशन करना है तो I'll be slow. I should stop seeing myself and focus more on traffic. Oh, I love Superb as well. Like, I wanted to buy a Superb. I checked it out. Everything was final. It was just I didn't have the money. See, as a biker, it is your right to get into any of the smallest crevices that you think you can fit in. I don't want to waste my fuel.
3 hours later.
Thar Rock looks cool. Looks very similar to Rubicon. If a company starts making good cars, there are a lot of them on the road. Innova देख लो, वहाँ rocks देखा, ये Innova देख लो. This bike is tiring for longer distances. I mean, Bangalore में देखो, from the place where I stay, everything is far. Like, it's fun riding and stuff, but with the road condition being this good, देख रहे हो अंकल भी confused थे जाना किधर है. Very fortunate that these people are not airplane pilots. So we are just gonna get some biryani. There is a police wale uncle in front. I don't want to get caught in any way. Safe. जा भाई तू चला जा. Oh, here it is. sewage.